Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a skincare guide for you guys, a Korean skincare guide for beginners. It's not our 10-step Korean skincare routine, but just enough to have a decent skincare routine. I have 6 steps in total. I know that might sound a lot, but it's not a lot and it actually makes sense. And you will understand when you watch the video until the end. So let's hop right into the video. The first step is cleansing, which is really important not only at night, also in the morning. So I have 2 products I would recommend. One is a cleansing balm and one is a cleansing gel or foam. And I'm also a fan of double cleansing because that way you get rid of all the dirt, makeup, dust, whatever is on your face. So cleaning and cleansing is really important. Cleansing balms are actually great because they're not harsh on your skin and they melt everything away, especially makeup. I love to use cleansing balms at night, and for the morning just use a gentle cleanser, foam cleanser, gel cleanser, whatever you like, but at night make sure to double cleanse. The second step is toner. A toner is actually pretty important. There are different kind of toners on the market at the moment, and they vary between different skin concerns you might have or what you want to focus on. For example, I have a hydrating toner. This is what I want to focus on, but there are also toners that focus on slightly exfoliate your skin. For example, with AHA or BHA from COSRX, which are great for people with oily skin. And there are also toners for acne-prone skin, etc. Also, a toner is important to keep your skin in balance. The third step is serum. You might think you don't really need this in your skincare routine. You might be right, but I think a serum is still a very nice product to keep in your skincare routine. A serum is actually a little bit thicker usually than an essence, and it has some key ingredients for brightening, anti-aging, yeah, just a lot of good ingredients. For example, what I would recommend is a vitamin C serum or a hydrating serum. So if you have dry skin, a hydrating serum is great, or vitamin C in general I think is great for all skin types, but a little bit careful when you have sensitive skin. So for example, this is a vitamin C serum I really like. This is the Klairs Pure Vitamin C serum, and this is not as thick, this is really liquidy as well, and vitamin C has such great benefits for your skin. It lightens scars, hyperpigmentation, it's great for anti-aging, fine lines, skin texture, brightening. There's so many great benefits about vitamin C, so I don't want to miss a good serum or vitamin C serum in my skincare routine. But if you don't want to use a serum or you think you don't need it, you can obviously just skip that step. The fourth step is moisturizer. There are also a lot of different kind of moisturizers on the market right now, and it actually depends what kind of skin and skin type you have when you want to choose a good moisturizer. So I personally like to use gel type creams. These are also really nice for oily skin actually. It's really thin in texture and it absorbs pretty fast onto your skin. Well, this is in general a good moisturizer in summer as well, I think, because usually you don't want to have thick products on your skin when it's really hot outside. The one thing I like, for example, is the Dr. Jart Ceramidine Cream. It's a little bit thicker in consistency, but it absorbs pretty nice onto my skin, and I feel like this is a really nice moisturizer for colder days as well. So for moisturizers, you just really have to look into the products and have to try around, so it's not that easy actually. The fifth step is also more or less optional because you don't do this every day, but it's face masks, the good old face masks. You can use this maybe once a week and incorporate it in your skincare routine. There are also a lot of different masks with different benefits. for moisturizing, for firming, brightening, plumping. There's a lot of different masks out there, and you just put it on once a week and get that nice boost of skincare. And the last step, number 6, is sunscreen. This is really important. I also have different type of sunscreens because there are also a lot of types out there, and you just have to see also what you like. There are sunscreens with a white cast that makes you a little bit brighter. There are more liquid ones, gel types. There's just a lot of sunscreens out there. Personally, I like sun gels. For example, this one is from a Korean brand. This is a sun gel. I also have a Japanese one. This is an essence, which is more liquidy, and I also have this one, an invisible fluid. I personally like the thin ones more because they absorb better on my skin and makeup looks better on top, but it really depends on your skin type, skin condition, and what you prefer. And that's it for my Korean skincare guide for beginners. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!